14 stages. Hundreds of miles. The human body pushed to its absolute edge. When the road demands everything, safety cannot be compromised.
Bakbakan ito, kaya kailangan natin ng trusted at magaling na medical partner. At mabuti, nandyan ang ating partner nung last year at this year, nandito pa rin ang Cardinal Santos Medical Center.
Well, for this edition of the Tour of Luzon, the Cardinal Santos Medical Team took its cue from our President, Mr. O.C. Pagdanganan, who himself is a staunch advocate for Filipino athletes. He decided to bring Cardinal Care to these 14 stages, 1,800 kilometers. We were with our cyclists and our organizers for every kilometer, every climb, every stage. And we wanted to allow them to be confident and to bring out the best in them because they knew that Cardinal Care would be there for them.
Out here, courage isn't enough. You need certainty. A steady shield. A standard of care you can count on.
Our commitment to care for our athletes goes hand in hand with our sports cardiology and strong rehabilitation medicine programs at Cardinal.
Napakahirap na karera, importante ang suporta ng Cardinal Santos Hospital. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, to our medical team sa buong Luzon.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Cardinal Santos na hindi ako iniwan hanggang sa nadulo kasi stage 6, I crashed. Inassist ako agad ng Cardinal Santos. Karoon ako ng collarbone fractured. Sobrang disappointed ako pero sila, hindi lang sila nag-assist sa akin at minotivate pa nila ako na it's okay na gano'n. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga doktor at sa mga iba pa na nag-assist sa akin. So maraming salamat Cardinal Santos na hindi nyo kami pinabayaan. At sa hindi lang ako, sa buong atleta na nandito, siklista na nandito.
Over 14 relentless days of competition. Precision. Protection. Empathy.
You have our full commitment. The highest standard of care, delivered with expertise, compassion, and urgency. So, to our cyclists, ride strong, ride safe, and ride with pride.
So panatag kami that even with the more competitive na race, more competitive na edition, nandyan ang CSMC. At malaki ang tiwala namin because last year, we had a very good partnership. Natugunan nila, nakita namin yung kanilang galing at expertise in managing a very risky sport like this.
Hey, the medical team was super great the whole race. They helped me out actually when I had some problems. They all want to help. Thank you guys.
Kami naka-aksidente, nandiyan yung Cardinal Santos niya. Lahat ng siklistang sumali dito sa Tour of Luzon, papasalamat kami sa inyo.
Every stage you finish in medical team and support me. Medical Center, your best.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you for caring about us for the whole tour. It's really nice and really atmosphere. Thank you.
Thank you, Cardinal Santos. You're the best. Salamat po.
Cardinal Center is the best.
Once again, to the medical team, maraming salamat. Cardinal Santos, maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo.
Ride safe! Ride safe! Ride safe! At Cardinal, we care!
Kung hindi nila ako natulungan, the rest of the trip would have been very uncomfortable for me. So it's really nice that Cardinal was there, not just for me or the other organizers, but especially for the cyclists.
Cardinal Santos Medical Center, the official partner of the Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation Tour of Luzon 2026.
Cycling sharing. 감사합니다. 산지너스 tumst.
Thank you, Cardinal!
Balbalag, yes, salamat. You're the best. Thank you, Cardinal.
Thank you, Cardinal Santos! You're the best!
Thank you, Cardinal. Thank you, Cardinal. You're the best.
You're the best.
You the best.
감사합니다.
Cardinal Santos.
You're the best.
You're the best.
You're the best.
Cardinal, you're the best!